Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Shibadoge is showing great recovery. Remember, Shibadoge just lost $4.2 million in 24 hours, and Shibadoge cap has been trading with over $33 million cap. Right now, Shibadoge is now back on $30 million after dropping below $29 million. Now, for me, it's good because one thing I love about coins is that when other coins are kind of struggling, those coins that always you see them increasing more higher, trying to recover first. I love these coins. Okay, today many coins are down. To share with you, so many coins are trading on red, but Shibadoge is now gaining about 1.30% increase, and I hope before the end of the day I want to see this hitting about 5 or 7% increase in price, which might take the market cap back to about $31 or $32 million. Well, Shibadoge are trying their best. This is just a small cap with a great future, and I hope that Shibadoge will continue this way throughout the end of the year. I want to see Shibadoge market cap hit over $100 million before December 31st, 2023. Now, Shibadoge with the project they have, and I believe that if they can continue to push, in fact, they should follow whatever they have been doing before, because I discovered they always achieve their roadmap starting from stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Shibadoge is great. Shibadoge are trying. These guys are really doing their best to make sure this coin continues, even when people write them off. Even when people criticize Shibadoge last year, they got a lot of criticism from people because Shibadoge will just, although then Shibadoge really got a lot of people angry, because today you see Shibadoge increasing, you'll be happy that Shibadoge has started increasing. Tomorrow Shibadoge will fall. This was what Shibadoge was doing until from the beginning of this year. Shibadoge started massively pumping, and till today Shibadoge have refused to drop below $28 million market cap, which is a good sign, and that also have earned Shibadoge about 2 listings this year. Okay, which I believe more will still come, because since Shibadoge started increasing, you can see so many exchanges are now watching. They have added Shibadoge on their watch list. More than 55 exchanges just added Shibadoge on their watch list. Believe it, this coin is going to pump. Shibadoge is going to rise. By the time we get the top exchange out listing Shibadoge is going to be one of the biggest coins of 2023. Shibadoge is going to increase massively and delete a lot of zeros. That is our major target, and I believe holders will be happy very soon. Now, for me, I think Shibadoge coin, before the end of 2030, this coin will create a lot of millionaires. If you are one of the millionaires, then let's go. But remember, if you are buying Shibadoge, always buy what you can afford to lose, because that is the golden rule. In 2030, in the next 7 years and 10 months, I see Shibadoge deleting over 5 zeros or 6 zeros. That's over almost 1 million to 10 million% increase in price. Now imagine such increase in price on such percentage. You pumping money, you will be making a lot of money. Shibadoge will create a lot of millionaires, because a $100 investment will return over $1 million or $10 million if Shibadoge did it up to 5 or 6 zeros. So imagine putting just $10 in, then you will be making a lot of money with Shibadoge. Shibadoge is a great coin. I believe this coin is certainly going to pump if BTC continues to rise, because for me, I believe in 2030 Bitcoin, according to experts, should be trading between $700,000 and $1 million. They believe that BTC is going to hit $1 million in the future, and certain people believe, yes, that this is going to happen maybe before the end of 2030. 2030 is the goal, and I believe for me, Shibadoge, once BTC continues to rise, Shibadoge definitely will continue to rise. And if Shibadoge continues to rise, definitely a lot of millionaires will be created, because Shibadoge sees itself as the new Shiba Inu. If Shiba Inu can pump the way it pumps millions of percent, of course, so many coins, history always repeats itself. Yes, history always repeats itself. So I love the fact that this coin has started gaining a lot of holders are coming in, traders are trading Shibadoge, Exchanges are getting interested. People want to know more about Shibadoge on social media engagement. Shibadoge are really trying. They are getting a lot of followers, and it's amazing to see Shibadoge getting more followers recently, especially this year. Well, let's hope for the best, and I hope that Shibadoge definitely is going to be one of the best coins that is going to put smiles on many people's faces.